Dell 7480 and TB16 docking station. You'll note that I have two drives connected to my docking station and two monitors. This was started by having the computer completely turned off, plugging in via the Thunderbolt port, and everything's working fine. I simply disconnect. You'll notice that my network drives are no longer available because I'm not connected, and both monitors are off. Now I'm simply going to plug in the Thunderbolt port. Notice that it comes on, supplying power again to the laptop. I get a notification. It notices the difference, but it only wakes up one of the monitors, and my external hard drive is on the Thunderbolt dock. Oh, did you just hear that? Power went dead. If you look at the dock, you'll note that the power died completely on this thing. So basically I'm having the same results that I did with all three of my replacement docking stations and both of the 7480s that I have had.